What is going on, guys? This is Sidney Cumbie once again with yet another makeup video. So this video is gonna be for Insider or Insider Art, one of those. It's for the Insiders multiple platforms on social medias. So we did a zombie form. They actually called me up and asked me to do a total transformation. They wanted to highlight how Hollywood makeup artists transform actors into monsters. So that is exactly what I did. I did a big zombie makeup on their host, Caroline. Now this is Caroline's first makeup that she's ever been in, which is crazy because they wanted a total transformation. So I was like, sure, we'll put her in a bald cap, we'll do a full face, we'll do a neck, we'll do hands, we'll put a wig on her, we'll put all this wardrobe on her, we'll make her slimy where they did the little slime thing. And if you're out there and you've dealt with the slime, you know how terrible working with that ultra slime is, but we did it. So it was a lot of fun. They made a video out of it. They put it on, YouTube. They put it on Instagram, all their social medias, Facebook, all that good stuff. So it was just a lot of fun. Caroline is a champion for being in this makeup and totally just being cool because her eyes were even covered in it. It was a lot of fun. Now their information will be below in the description so you can watch all their videos in the different platforms as well as some clips at the end of this video. But I knew you guys are gonna enjoy this because we did it at RBFX with RBFX Prosthetics because RBFX Prosthetics are the best prosthetics. I also want to thank Delium Tools because Delium Tools also helped me out with doing this makeup, and of course I work for Delium Tools. They have the best effects brushes that you can get anywhere. So I'll stop talking, I'll let you guys watch it, and bye! See you guys later!
you.